Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. I'm meeting oldest friend. We're going for a bit of a van camp. Not quite sure where yet. We're going to head up to our usual spot, see if that's accessible and see if it's not too windy like it was last time. And if it is, we'll go somewhere else, like we did last time. Got some toys to play with. Gonna be fun. So I'm meeting him just on the A64 at the Highwayman Cafe. So one of the things I want to try on this trip is I've got both Allpowers Power Stations with me that I've got. So I've got the R600 and the R1500. Got a couple of cooking devices. I think one of them will work on the 600. So I want to try that out because if it does, that'll suit better the project that I've got in mind for future videos. Stay tuned. Bit of a cloudy day. It's supposed to be a bit sunshiny / cloudy today. I did wonder if I was going to be first today because oldest friend is often early and I'm about half an hour early, but I've just had a call from him to say that he's about 10 minutes behind me, so yay, first! Tractor convention. So just to show you, that's the Allpowers R1500, that's the 600, and in here's my little Temu fridge. I've got it hooked into the 12 volt at the minute. It's not on because the car's not running. A couple of beers in there, some frankfurters and chocolate. Testing our little fridge out because of the Wales trip that oldest friend and I have got coming up at the end of September. So yeah, I kind of wanted to have a little fridge with me just so you can have fresh milk and stuff from time to time. And chill the beers. Of course.
Am I going first?
Yeah, go for it. Right, I've got oldest friend and we're off. Van camping we will go, van camping we will go, E-I-N-D-O, van camping we will go. Or car camping in oldest friend's case. So we're just entering the Castle Howard area. This is one of the monuments on the left. One of the fun things about this drive is getting to drive through these kind of ramparts. There's another one at the top of this hill. And then you've got a big needle, and at the roundabout for this needle, that's where the turn off for Castle Howard is. There are some good views on this route, like when you go over the brow of this hill. There we go. Countryside just opens up in front of you. I think that car was waiting at the light, so we just cheekily passed him.
Oh, was he?
Yeah, he's behind me. He must be cursing us like a sod.
I thought he just parked up.
Oh man, that was brilliant. Just on the outskirts of Kirby Moorside now, we've got about 7 miles to go. This is a quaint little village, very much a farming village called Fadmore.
I ain't got sat nav on, so I don't know if I'm going the right way.
Yeah, you're all good. All clear, brilliant.
All clear indeed.
Someone's excited. It's very quiet.
It is indeed.
Right, little experiment, first experiment. So this is the little Drew and Co sandwich maker. You might have seen the shorts video I did with that with the Allpowers 1500. This is the 600 and it's currently drawing, you won't be able to see this on the camera because of the lighting, but it's currently drawing 593, so it's just under the 600 watt max. So we should be able to make, it's gone down to 90% already, it's only been on a few minutes. Might not even get a full sandwich out of this, but let's give it a go. So what we've got is we've got some muffins, eggs and frankfurters. That in there. What I've done is I've plugged the solar panel in and we're getting 47 watts in, 590 out, so at least it'll slow down a little bit. Sausages, 3 might be enough. Oh no, they'll go in. Right, that in there. Egg into the egg shaker. Never heard that sound before. Egg in.
Where's the sandwich gone?
And what you do is just wait for a few minutes for that to cook the egg a little bit before you put the last bit of the muffin on. Just had a quick look at the egg, and that's kind of getting there. So now we'll just drop the top half of the muffin in and then shut that. And what you don't do is you don't press it down, because in case the egg, you know, rises. This is the first time it's actually happened. We've got some inflation, egg inflation. 33 seconds left. So we're ready. 5 minutes has passed. Look at that. Looking good. So what we do now is we slide this round so that the egg drops. And then we lift that.
Yeah. Ooh.
Number one. Then we lift the other one.
Ooh.
Look at that!
Look at that! Oh.
Muffins!
Muffins.
You got your plate?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to slide it on.
Ooh.
There you go. Right, my turn. So while I do this one, mine, at least I now know that the R600 will power this for my future project. So if you want to know what that is, you know what you got to do. Subscribe! Yummy! So I had to finish my last sandwich. We've had 2 each off on the 1500. The 600's currently on charge through solar. But when you look at what's going on that power station at the moment, so Ainsley's had his e-cig on charge on it, but we've taken that off. But we've got the fridge running, charging camera batteries and the drone remote, and then I'm also charging an RC truck battery here too. We're just kind of chilling out. What time is it? 11 o'clock already. This thing's nuts, I love it. Slow motion gravel shot. All you can see are trails. So unfortunately, my Potensic Atom, I'm having problems with it. The controller's not working properly. It's not showing us charged up and stuff. Anyway, so you've just seen a bit of drone footage that I took with the Neo. Don't know what's wrong with that Atom controller. It's really weird. Crap time. Horrible time.
How much time?
Alcohol free.
Leffe. Which actually, I think means spunk in Spanish.
Nice. Fake salami, which is the fake pepperami, which is the Aldi one. Oh, the wind's blowing this away, look at that. Versus a genuine pepperami. I've got to say, the fake one does look better. And I've enjoyed the taste of that. Yeah, oldest friend described these as crunchier, and I know what he means. They are kind of chewier. In fact, bizarrely, these taste more processed, the pepperami ones. So for me, the fake one wins. Comprehensive taste test brought to you by more than just a cleaner. Tart, balaclavas, nice! What do you reckon, oldest friend?
Terrific.
Many years ago, aloe vera was buried here. And nearby, Steve Vai. The poetry's just incredible, isn't it? I didn't catch it on film, but oldest friend just did an epic spin. It'll be in his video, one of his shorts, and the suspension thing's bust a bit. Right, we're off again. We just had to fix oldest friend's truck. Just been having a bit of a mad bears. I've got a forest battery in this now, it's a bit nuts. I'll show you what I mean. Likes to wheelie. Parked it, secret location. Slow-mo takeoff in the dust pit. Time to get some food on. So 586 watts output because I've just put the little ramen cooker on. Double handing it.
Carl's going to do a bit of cooking, some chili con carne with rice.
Grains.
Rice grains.
Rice grains.
Slop.
Tis slop. Turn that down. Mexican style grains to go with chili, seeing as it's Mexican.
Mosquito eradication futuristic tech.
I think I've got this little cooker at its max. That's going to be hearty. Hearty, I tell you. Look at this mad little sod. She's made herself a little nest. She's still going.
Yeah.
Go on, nest it, neat. Nest it. Oh, that'll do, eh?
Yeah.
Right, in other news, this is getting there. Getting nice and hot now. Filthy. Cheers, dude.
No worries.
Hans Christian Andersen.
Oh.
Baby wipes!
Baby wipes!
Slop is a go. I should have bought a bigger ladle. That works. Is that enough? Bit more?
Yeah, that's it. That's that.
Dog food is a go.
Yum.
I'm gonna be a heathen and eat it out the pot. Saves washing up. Crispy bits.
We forgot these.
Crunchy.
No, we haven't.
We've dined and it was good.
Yeah, it was lovely.
It were alright. 20 to 8. The shadows are getting longer, especially when you look across the valley and you can see the shadows of the trees. Been a lovely day, a little bit breezy, the wind's picked up a bit, but still we've just been sat talking bollocks and messing about for the most of it. But isn't that what this stuff is all about?
What's that?
Talking bollocks and messing about.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Pretty much. The very back there, the hills, the worlds in the background. I keep thinking it's a cloud line, but it's not. It's the worlds. It's just the way it catches my eye. Yeah, I know. That purple heather. Got the Timu bug light going. Sweetie time. It's a bit chilly tonight. What time are we on now? 21:31. So sunset. Probably showing you the time lapse. We're just waiting for a bit of darkness because we want to play with the torch. I know. We just sound wrong, don't we? Well, we've had a fun day. I think I might have caught the sun a little bit. Good job I've got some aloe vera with me. Yeah, we've had a bit of a laugh today. Oh, right, settling down for the night. Don't know if there'll be anything else after this. If there is, I'll see you in the morning. What a nice morning. Got some coffee made. We both woke up early.
We did.
You slept a bit hit and miss, didn't you?
Hit and miss.
Hit and miss. So it's a lovely morning. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. There's a road race on in York today, and so I know, falling over. So we're going to. My plan was to go back a bit early and kind of beat the traffic. Good God, I do look a bit sunburnt. Sheesh. I've got a face like a smack bum.
Sheesh kebab.
Yeah, so going to be heading off soon. I'm going to wrap this video up there. Oldest friend has just drifted off. It's just gone 6 o'clock. Thanks so much for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.